The Philips Sonicare, genuine sensitive replacement toothbrush. Heads for sensitive teeth are a top choice for maintaining optimal oral hygiene. With a customer rating of 4.7 out of 5 stars, based on 4,967 ratings, these replacement brush heads have garnered praise for their quality and effectiveness. Designed specifically for individuals with sensitive teeth, these brush heads offer gentle yet thorough cleaning, ensuring a comfortable brushing experience. The soft bristles are gentle on sensitive gums, while effectively removing plaque and improving overall gum health. Measuring 0.6 into 0.25 into 2.8 inches and weighing only 1.45 ounces, these replacement toothbrush heads are lightweight and easy to use. The compatibility with various Philips Sonicare models makes them versatile and suitable for a wide range of users. Philips, a trusted manufacturer known for its commitment to quality and innovation, produces these replacement heads in China. The product's best sellers rank of #3, 685.